If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Right, so a quick update right now. Here we are, and yesterday I talked about the daily pennant, and right now don't get excited because all you did is you're really doing everything to come down to 2421. By the way, that's a technical target, and I think this is a perfect shorting opportunity, if I could short and then move all the way down. So you have a trading opportunity of nearly with a stop loss of probably up here to maybe 7%, but maybe even risk 3.63145, and you're looking for a 19% trade opportunity. Damn, that sounds great to me, because if you wonder, it's pretty clear that you just moved down and you moved to make that pennant, right? You broke below the pennant, you went back for the retest of the pennant, you're getting rejected at the pennant. That's the perfect way to actually take it down, because when you retest, it shows the willingness of actually moving even way more lower. There was a little bit of a pump, but we're looking to go even lower. So right now you can see that it came and it's trying to push above the 55 EMA, but I don't think it's gonna make it. I think that's the end of it. That's the end of it, because you still have forces to take the coin even lower to this price target that I've given you for quite a while now. So that's pretty much it for this quick JASMY update right now. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Hello, office.